Hey, Chad here with chadcar.net, and today I'm answering a question. So I got this question a couple weeks ago, and the person was having an issue getting this curved VR keyboard to work with the HoloLens. Now I've not tried it. Now it appears the issue was with reflection, but I'm not 100%. So what I'm going to do is just go in here and actually add this item to my assets and open it in the Unity editor, which I have here. Alright, so I have it open in Unity. I'm going to go down here and actually hit download and import. Alright, so I'm going to close the asset store. So let's take a look at the examples here. We'll open up the example in VR. This is kind of nice. We'll hit play. And now I want to bring in the mixed reality toolkit. So I'm going to create a new folder here, MRTK. So I'm going to drag in the Unity package that I got from the GitHub repository. I'll just bring in the entire bit here. And this is one that was actually released way back in October of 2017, October 16th. I found that to be the best one to use for now with Unity 2017.3. Alright, so I'm going to click Mixed Reality Toolkit, Configure, and apply scene settings. Alright, now that I've done that, I can get rid of this camera. And I'm going to take the keyboard and move him back a ways. In fact, I'm actually going to scale him down to 0.4 maybe. Might actually make him 0.2. And not have them quite so far back. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to save this scene. Play. And actually want to do the move the same thing for the canvas as well. So. Alright, so we have that there now. Alright, so we have our keyboard moved to, it'll be in our vision as well as this canvas here. And what I want to do is actually associate this raycasting source to my camera. So I'm going to go drag my camera here to that. Hit play. And now we're actually seeing it up here. Maybe a little bit difficult to see with the skybox. So let me save the scene here. Save the project. And actually want to build this for the HoloLens and see if we can get it deployed to the emulator or not. So I'm going to hit build. New folder, UWP, select folder. Alright, so when we built, it looks like we got some errors here. So let's take a look. Yeah, so the issue is this is using reflection doesn't work well in UWP because for Universal Windows Platform, it's actually a native API. It's unmanaged, and you can write UWP apps in JavaScript and C++ as well as C#. And so even just taking Unity out of the picture altogether. And because of that, the normal reflection stuff just doesn't work with UWP. So let's see if we can get this working correctly. get base type here. Let's see. Let's see if this compiles for us. So by bringing in the Holo Toolkit, we can use the get base type. And we can hit F12 and actually see all this does. It takes a type. It's a extension method, takes a type. And if it's WSA and not the Unity editor, it does a get type info of before it calls base type. Otherwise, it just calls base type. And that gives us what we need to actually get to the property. Okay. Alrighty, so that built. Here we are in UWP. We'll bring up the keyboard solution. I'm going to deploy this to the emulator. Alright, so it's been deployed. Let's go ahead and run this. See our Unity splash screen. It's a good sign. And there's our keyboard. Well, hopefully that'll help somebody else who's having an issue bringing in a component from the Unity Asset Store that might not work well with the HoloLens, or in particular the Windows Store apps. So there's not many things out there that utilize reflection. This is, so the code could probably be refactored as well to not use that, but I'm not here to critique any asset store items. So if you're interested in this, I'll have a link to this asset in the description you can grab. But yeah, hopefully this helped you out. Hope you have a fantastic week. I'll see you in the next video.